Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. Yes, today we're making this beautiful bra top, and I am so excited about it. Here, I just made a few lines and decided to show you guys how it's coming together from start to finish. Yeah, you'll see it. So, this smiley emoji always here, just always reminding me to smile. Yeah, I made half part of the bra top and everything's already looking good, coming together, and I love it. Guys, this is a process video, not necessarily a tutorial. If you like my process video, please let me know. Let me know what you think about it, or you want a full blown tutorial. Let me know down in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed, Biko, please, Ejo, subscribe to this channel, share the video, like, and yeah, just know that I love you guys. So here, the second part of the beat top is ready, and what I need to do now is join it, and you guys will see how beautiful it looks. Everything takes a process, and you just need to follow through. Just trust the process, all right? Yeah. So now it's looking good already. The front part is ready. I now have to work on the back, put everything together, have the hands fixed, and we're good. So here is the beginning of the back part, like the back of the bead. Yeah, smile again. So here I just started out the back. This was how it looks, but I decided to divide it into two parts and make like a loop. You guys will see it at the ending part. I made two parts, join it together, and yeah. So this is how it looks from the front. I joined together. You guys already saw the side, the back, everything looking nice. I added this silver shiny ribbon, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.